Next, question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like cylinder with two hemispherical ends. So shape of the gulab jamun is like that. Next, dimensions. With the length is 5 cm, the total length of the gulab jamun is equals to 5 cm. Diameter is 2.8 centimeters. So here diameter is equals to 2.8 centimeters. Diameter of the cylinder is also same 2.8 centimeter. Radius is equals to pi 2, that is 1.4 centimeters. So radius of the cylinder is also 1.4 centimeter. So next we need to find the height of the cylinder. So the total length of the, from here to here, the total length of the gulab jamun is 5 centimeters. So just to subtract 1.4, the radius of the hemisphere is 1.4. So right side also 1.4. So 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4 is 2.8. So h is equals to 2.2 centimeters. So h is equals to 2.2. The cylindrical portion length is equals to 2.2 centimeters. So gulab jamun, first we need to find the volume of the gulab jamun. So volume of gulab jamun, so these type of gulab jamuns we have 45. So directly I am taking volume of 45 gulab jamuns is equals to 45 into, so here volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere. So this one is a formula to finding the volume of gulab jamun is equals to, we have 45 gulab jamuns, so it is 45 into volume of cylinder plus volume of gulab jamuns. So that is equals to 45 into volume of cylinder, formula is pi r square h. So 2 into volume of hemisphere, formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now that is equals to 45 into pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here 45 into common term is, I am taking pi r square is common, pi r square is common. So the remaining one is h plus 4 by 3 r. 45 plus pi r square h into 4 by 3 r. So this is volume of the 45 gulab jamun. So now I am substituting 45 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is equals to 1.4 square into h equals to 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into r is equals to 1.4. So simplification not required. So volume of the sugar syrup is equals to, finally we need to find the volume of how much sugar syrup we need to add to the gulab jamuns. So volume of sugar syrup is equals to how much percentage? 30%. So this is 30% of volume of gulab jamuns. So we need to add 30% volume of the gulab jamun. We need to add the sugar syrup. Volume of sugar syrup is equals to 30% volume of the gulab jamun. That is equals to 30% means 30 by 100 into, so here it is 45 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into, so this one is simplified 2.2. So I will take simplification. LCM is 3. Is LCM 3 into 2.2, 6.6 plus 1440, 5.6. So that is equals to simplification 30 by 100 into 45 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into here 66.6 plus 5.6. 6.6, 5.6. That is 12.2 by 3. Now simplification. 0, 0, 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. Next 3 1s, 3 1s are 3 15s are 45. Next 5 3s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 0.1 times. So the remaining numbers are 3 into 3 into 22 into 1.4 into 0.1 into 12.2. 3 into 3 into 22 into 1.4 into 0.1 into 12.2 is equals to 338.184 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of this sugar syrup is equals to, approximately we can take 338 centimeter cube. So volume of the sugar syrup is equals to 338 centimeter cube. Next, exercise 13.2, question number 2. Here question number 2 is, Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. So model is like this. So upside is one cone, downside is another cone. Both are attached to one cylindrical part. So model is like this. It is a combination of cone, cone, cylinder, and cone. Next, the dimensions. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeters. So here diameter of the cone is equals to 3 centimeters. Diameter of the cylinder is equals to 3 centimeters. Then radius is equals to 3 by 2 centimeters. Here also radius is equals to 3 by 2 centimeters. Next, the diameter of 3 centimeters. Its length is, the total length of the cone. The total length of the model is equals to 12 centimeters. 12 centimeter if each of cone has a height of 2 centimeter. Height of the cone, I am taking H1. This one is 2 centimeters. Next, we need to find height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Here cone is 2 centimeter. This cone is also 2 centimeter. The total length of the model is 12 centimeter. So 12 minus 2 and minus 2. So that is equals to 12 minus 4. That is 8 centimeters. So height of the cylindrical portion from here to here, that is 8 centimeter. Up one, that is height of the cone 2 centimeter. Here also height of the cone is 2 centimeter. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 is height of the cylindrical portion. Now the question is, find the volume of air contained in the model. So here we need to find volume of the model. So volume of the model is equals to, so it is a combination of 3, volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. So volume of cylinder plus, I am taking 2 into volume of cone. So both cones are having same volumes, so I am taking 2 into volume of cone. Next, volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h plus 2 into volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here 2h, they are different. Here h1 I am taking, this one is h2. So cone is h1, cylindrical portion is I am taking h2. Now the common term is pi r square. You should take pi r square common. So the remaining one here h2. In second term 2 by 3 pi r square is common, 2 by 3 h1. Now you replace all the values. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is equals to 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 h2. h2 is 8 centimeters. 8 plus 2 by 3 h1 is equals to 2 into 2. So 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into, here just to take simplified, 3 is LCM, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4. So 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 28 by 3. So 3 cancel. 7 1s are 7 4s are 28. 2 2s are 4 cancel. So the remaining one is 22 into 3. That is equals to 66 centimeter cube. That is volume of model. Volume of the model is equals to 66 centimeter cube. Exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2. Question number 1. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. So solid shape is like this. One cone is standing on hemisphere with both their radii being equals to 1 centimeter. So here radius of the cone is equals to 1 centimeter and radius of the hemisphere is also 1 centimeter. Next 1 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equals to its radius. Height of the cone is also equals to radius. So these are the given information. Here we need to find the volume of the solid in terms of phi. This volume we need to find. So volume of the solid is our question. Volume of solid is equals to, so this one is combination of hemisphere cone. So this cone is standing on hemisphere. So to find the volume of this volume of the solid, we need to find volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. So volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone is the volume of the solid. So volume of solid is equals to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here we can take 1 by 3 pi r square common. 1 by 3 pi r square is common. So in first term h is the remaining one. Here 1 by 3 pi r square is common. 2r is the remaining one. Now we substitute all the values. 1 by 3 pi r is equals to 1 centimeter, that is 1 square. H is equals to also 1 centimeter plus 2 into 1. So 1 by 3 pi, 1 square is 1 into 2 plus 1. This one is 3. So 1 by 3 pi into 3. So 3 get cancelled. So pi is centimeter cube. So therefore volume of solid is equals to pi centimeter cube.